Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will make an introduction to our face shield holder. So our design of face shield holder is created by using Autocad 2022 and printed by using metal control software. It will attach with a face shield that corresponds to the size of the holder that we have printed. It is also intended to protect us from the COVID-19 virus that is plaguing. The specifications are 19.9 times with 19.164 centimeters. The width of our face shield is 5 millimeters. It has 4 connecting points to attach to the face shield and it is suitable with adults. Based on the presentation sheet given, our drawing must not exceed to 20 times 24 centimeters. So we draw the frame holder by the length of 199 millimeters, which is equal to 19.9 centimeters, and the height of 191.94 millimeters, which is equal to 19.194 centimeters. As you can see, the left below is the front view and above the front view is the top view, and the right side of the top view is 3D drawing isometric, and below the 3D drawing isometric is the side view. So we can see the dimension of the length and the width accurately because we have created an orthographic with isometric and also with the dimensions that we have created. So this is the final looks on our 3D modeling of face shield holder. I'm gonna do an overview, so as you can see. So our name is embossed to it, and that's it.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, my name is MOHAMAD Norafiq. Right now, I'm going to explain about the material that we use in the making of this facial frame is polycarbonate. Polycarbonate are quite strong and resistant to impact, but also completely recyclable. Polycarbonate are 100% recyclable once you are done using them. They can be completely recycled and made into new material. This material can be used for a variety of applications, which makes it can be a good alternative to many other options that may not be as highly recyclable. Alright, next is the estimate time for the 3D printer to print the face shield frame is about 2 hours and 10 minutes. Then the estimate mass in grams of this face shield frame is about 23.75 gram, which is lighter than conventional face shield in the market and does not burden for wearing too much weight around the head. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, my name is HAZEEM Faeez bin MUSTAPHA. Okay, I want to tell about the cost to print one face shield frame or holder. Okay, the estimate mass of the material is 23.75 gram, and the cost of the material is only RM 10 cent per gram. And okay, to get the price of the one pieces of face shield is 23.75 gram multiplied by 10 cent. So the price of the one pieces of the face shield is RM 2 ringgit and 38 cent for the one pieces. And next, the total cost if client require 100 pieces. The price of the one pieces equal to 2 ringgit 38 cent. If 100 pieces, it will be 2 ringgit 38 cent multiplied by 100 equal to 238 ringgit.